Welcome. This video will show you how to fix the scroll in wireless mice. Start by disassembling the mouse. This is the encoder, it is responsible for the scrolling. Disassemble it by pushing the 4 tabs with a screwdriver. Bend the metal frame away from the encoder and then remove its internal components. Use alcohol and a cotton swab to clean the contacts of the encoder. In case the contacts were too corroded, then scrape it with a screwdriver. Also clean the contacts in this part. Reassemble the encoder as shown. If the encoder spins loosely, then press it lightly with a pair of pliers to tighten it. If you over-tighten the encoder, then insert a flathead screwdriver here and then twist it to loosen the encoder. Reassemble the mouse. Thanks for watching.